is Shagun Sahu of grade 6 of the Cecilia Montessorian High School. Today I shall be finding out the center of gravity of an irregular object. What is center of gravity? The center of gravity of an object is the point where the entire weight of the object acts and the object can be balanced at this point. For regular shaped objects, the center of gravity is at the center of the object. For irregularly shaped objects, the center of gravity is not at the geometric center. The materials required for this experiment are a pen, a pencil, a ruler, a plumb line made using a string and some ring magnets. Some additional weights: a map of India, an L-shaped object and a bird-shaped object. These paper cutouts have some holes punched into them. We will also need a nail on the wall. Let's begin. Let us take the map of India and hang it on the nail of the wall with one of its punched holes. Let us suspend the plumb line from the nail. Let it rest. At the point where the plumb line settles, let us draw a line. Now let us change the point at which the map of India is hanging to the other punched hole. Let us suspend the plumb line and let it rest. At the point where the plumb line settles, we draw a straight line. As you can see, this is the point where the two lines intersect. This point is located in Madhya Pradesh, which is the center of gravity. We should be able to balance the map of India with the help of the pen at this point. As you can see, we are able to balance it perfectly. A small fun fact is, this point of intersection is located at the Katni district in Madhya Pradesh. This village is considered by some people as the geographical center of India. As we measure the length of the map of India, we are able to find that it is 21.7 cm long. And the center of gravity is located at 10 cm. Hence, the center of gravity is not located in the exact center of India. Let us perform the same experiment on the other two objects, the bird and the L shape. Similarly, by using the plumb line method, we are able to find that the center of gravity lies at this point around its belly. We should be able to balance it. Now let us try by adding weights to the wings. The bird is unable to balance around its stomach. Now let's try balancing it at the center of gravity, which now lies towards its beak, because it is the heavier side since the mass distribution changes. However, for the L-shaped object, we can see that the center of gravity lies outside the object. Thus, we can conclude that the center of gravity can be found by the plumb line method. For irregularly shaped objects, the center of gravity is not at the geometric center and depends upon the shape and mass distribution. Thank you.